everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my university room tour. I did do one of these last year, so I will link that down below if you want to see what it's like. But basically the room hasn't changed dramatically because I'm in exactly the same room. There's just a few little bits and bobs that I've moved around. Added a few little homeware bits as well, which is really exciting. But I know that you guys love these sort of videos, so I thought we'd do an updated one for this year. And also if you want to see some of the bits in more detail, like the new homeware bits, I have done a supplies and homeware haul, which again I will link down below if you want to go and check that out as well. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you everything because I love the setup of my room. I've also just tidied it all and cleaned it, so it's looking pretty good. So don't expect it to look like this all year, but I'm going to do my best because I just love my little space, and yeah, it just definitely screams me. So the theme in my room is actually grey and rose gold / copper, so basically everything is following that theme. So yeah, it's very satisfying and I appreciate that so much. So if you are seeing a bit of a running theme, that's why. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started, and obviously the door is the first thing that you see as you come in the room. So all I have on here is my dressing gown, which was from Studio. I absolutely love this, and it was only like £3 in the sale. It was so cheap and it's so soft. So that's basically everything on my door. And then if I move over to here, I have my wardrobe, and as you can see I have all of my coats and jackets hang up here. The hooks that I have were from Primark. They're just like copper hooks. They were really cheap as well, but they're so handy because I don't even know like where else I'd put my coats, because as you can see I have quite a few, and if I put them on the back of the door, the automatic door stops working, so that's just the easiest place to put them. And yeah, I don't think it looks too messy, to be fair. And then I'm quickly going to show you in my wardrobe. It's nothing very exciting because it's just a typical wardrobe, but this is what it looks like. So I have my gold hangers, which were from TK Maxx. I absolutely love them. Also the white ones were from TK Maxx as well, but this is basically what it looks like. So I have all of my jumpers on the side. I have a load of toiletry things here that are just kind of backups and things that I don't use that often. I have all my bags on the bottom, and then a load of random stuff literally shoved here, because who doesn't have random stuff shoved in the bottom of their wardrobe? If you say you don't, you're definitely lying, because everybody has it. And then on the very top I have all of my hats, scarves, gloves, everything kind of warm and winter related, and also my spare towels and things. And yeah, that's basically everything in the wardrobe. And then moving over to this section, which is basically just behind my bed. It's a bit of a messy section because there's not really anywhere else to put this stuff because it is quite bulky stuff. So first of all, I have my laundry basket here, which is actually split up into 3 sections. It has like a colour section, a black section, and a white section maybe? I think that's what it is, but to be honest, I don't really use the sections. I just shove it all in and hope for the best. I do actually need to do a laundry wash so bad because look at it. It's a bit of a state, but that's all going to be sorted soon. And then I have this shoe rack here, which I thought is actually a really good idea because last year I kept them in one of the grey boxes from IKEA, which I will show you in a bit, but it was just really hard to find all the shoes. They were getting kind of ruined and they were all just like on top of each other and it didn't really work. So my mum suggested the shoe rack, which actually works really well. So yeah, again, I have a lot of shoes. I really don't need all of these, but I'm just a bit of an addict when it comes to clothes, makeup and shoes, so yeah, just bear with me on that one. And then I just have my suitcase and kind of spare bags and stuff at the back, just because when I go home for the weekends or when I go home for Christmas and stuff, I will need that, so there's just nowhere else to put a massive suitcase really. And then I just have this Primark bag here because I've recently been to Primark and I need to try on a couple of bits that I picked up to see if they fit and everything. So that normally isn't there obviously, but it's just there for now. And then I have my long boots kind of next to the shoe rack, and also my filming equipment. So I have my new light, which I need to give a go because I haven't tried it out yet and it looks really good, so I need to give that a go. And also my tripod and stuff is down there as well. And then moving over here is my bed area, and I think this is one of my favourite parts of my room. So this is what the area looks like. As you can see, I love my fairy lights and photos a lot. I have a lot of photos in this room, to be fair. So I'm just going to go through everything individually and kind of give you an idea of where things are from. So the bedding I have is from H&M. I have 2 different beddings. I have this one, and then I have one which is white with a grey pattern, but I really like them. They were in the sale, and I've never really got homeware stuff from H&M before, so I really like this. And obviously it goes so well with my room because it's grey. And then I have this new throw, which is different to the one I have from last year, and this was from Dun & Mill. Again, it was featured in my haul. I am addicted to this. Well, not even addicted, like just obsessed with it. It's so, so nice. And it's got like glittery particles in it. It's grey, of course. And it also has this really fluffy fleece lining. So I'm in love with this so much. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely do if you're into grey. And then all of my pillows are kind of a mixture. So I have a lot from Primark. So the heart ones are from Primark. The kind of light grey fluffy one over there is from Primark. The snowflake one's from Primark. This love one's from Primark. And then I have my new leaf print one, which was from Studio. I absolutely love this. If you know me, you know I absolutely love leaf print. My laptop case, my iPad case, and my phone case have all got leaf print, well, palm leaf print. So let me just quickly show you my phone case actually. This just proves how much I love it. Like, I absolutely love this phone case as well. So yeah, that just fits perfectly, and I feel like it goes well with the grey as well because it adds a little pop of colour. And then I have this one here which has got London on from Cath Kidston. I love London as well, so I just had to get this, and Cath Kidston is amazing. And then the N one back there was from Jess last year for Christmas. I think it's from Wilko. I can't actually remember what she said. And then I also have my fluffy hot water bottle from Primark, and this little microwavable owl thing which was from Sainsbury's. And then I also quickly, I will show you my little blanket at the back was from Primark, and I think that's pretty much everything for the actual bed. But obviously I have this pin board here which came with the room. All of my photos are up here. I love them so much. These are mainly my photos from home, and then I also have my Little Mix calendar, and I have this like rose gold leaf garland which was from Wilko last year. It was actually out at Christmas, but I wouldn't really class that as Christmas. I would class it as like autumnal. So I really like that because that's my filming background. Like, I usually sit just in front of the bed here and I have all of this in the background, so I just love how this looks. And then the lights I got from Amazon, I can't remember which brand they are, but if you literally type in, I think they're called Waterfall, are they called Waterfall lights? I'm not entirely sure, but basically just type in long fairy lights and they should come up, and I absolutely love these. I just think it looks so, so cozy, and especially at night when I'm sat in bed watching YouTube, I have the lights off but the fairy lights on, and I just love it. And especially with the pictures, it kind of lights up all the pictures at night, so I just love this so, so much. And then I have this frame, well, not a frame, but like a canvas up here, which my friend made me for my 18th birthday. Again, got more photos and a few little like letters. And then I have one of my favorite things, which was from Clinton's, I think it was, and this is a Mary Poppins canvas. Again, if you know me well, you know I absolutely love Mary Poppins. It's one of my favorite films, so I just love this so, so much, and I can't wait for the new one to come out. I'm so excited. And then the only other thing in my bed area is this bedside table. This, again, it came with the room. It's just basically shoved a load of things in. Obviously my iPad's there, as you can see. I have a few photos, I have just some water, and then these two drawers, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna show you because they're so messy, and it's just stuff that I have nowhere else to put, like paperwork and receipts and things that just have no other place. So that will get shoved in there, but you know, you can't see it, so it's fine. And then I have this little area here which basically just has my uni bag, which is this one here, and then my just normal bag, my going out bag, a bin, and obviously my heater. And then moving on to here, we have these free chest of drawers. So I'm quickly going to show you what I have inside. It's not very exciting though. So in the top one, I just have kind of pants, socks, bras, tights, that sort of thing. And then in the next one down, I have all of my skirts. I love my skirts so, so much, and especially on nights out, they're so, so useful. So yeah, that's all my skirts. And then in the one below that, I have a load of tops, scarves. It's more of like the fashion scarves rather than the thick scarves, and yeah, basically just like a load of t-shirts and things. And then finally in the bottom drawer, I have a load of thin jumpers because I have all my thick ones in the wardrobe, but these are the ones that are kind of just long sleeve tops and are best for when it's kind of a bit more of a warmer day. So that's basically what's in them drawers, and they came with the room as well. And then on top, I absolutely love this setup. It has changed quite a bit because these two acrylic storage were actually on my desk, but this year I thought I'll put them on here because, not gonna lie, the acrylic storage was actually getting crushed by the eyeshadow palettes. So I'm just gonna go through everything. So I have this Yankee candle, which is in the scent Fireside Treats. This is a great autumnal candle, I love it. And then I have this plaque here that says, do the things that make you happy. This was from Asda and I absolutely love it. Again, it just goes perfectly with my room. And then I have this little, what would you call this? Just like a photo holder, I guess, which was from Disney when I went in Easter, and I put a picture of us with Mickey Mouse in there because I just love looking at that because I miss Disney so, so much. And then, as I said, I have my acrylic storage holders. So these were from Amazon. I literally just typed in eyeshadow palette holder. Can't remember the brand of this. I feel like it was by Allegory, but I really don't remember. So this just holds all of my eyeshadow palettes. You would have seen this in my declutter video and probably in my makeup collection as well, but I probably will do an updated makeup collection maybe towards the end of the year or something, because I have got quite a lot of new things, and if you don't want to watch my declutter, I feel like that's a good way to see what stuff I have. But obviously do watch my declutter if you want to see it in more depth. And then I have this photo frame which has a picture of me and Liv, and I love it so much. We really don't get to see each other that often, so I really like to have this as a little memory, and yeah, I just love this so much. And then I have my lipstick holder which just has all of my lipsticks in. So yeah, that's basically everything on top. I'm going to quickly show you what I have on my windowsill. So I have this fake plant here which I think was from Primark, and then I have this candle which is in the scent Pearl Grey, again from Primark. And then in the middle I have these 3 candles, again I think it's from Primark. And then surprise surprise, I think these were also from Primark. I just love Primark homeware so much. So I have the sea salt and lavender candle and also another mini plant. And then down the side here next to my drawers I basically have my 2 folders from last year. I will also have this year's folder down there as well, so yeah, there's going to be like another one next to it. I have my bin, my laptop case, my magazine holder, and then these 2 IKEA boxes which are grey and striped. I love them so much. The bottom one has my pyjamas in, and then the top one just has random stuff that just has no other place again. As I said, my shoes used to be in this box, but I've changed them to the rack now, so yeah, that's basically that. And then in the top, the little box there has a load of skincare stuff. And then moving over to my desk area, this is another favourite in my room. I think this and my bed are definitely my favourite, and if you watched my weekly vlogs, which you definitely should, I will link my vlog channel down below if you want to go and check it out. But basically I told you the story about how my floor had a massive leak, and that's why the wood now looks crusty and white, and yeah, it's so grim. But someone is coming to look at it, so hopefully they can fix it. But I just can't believe that my floor was soaking. Like, I can't express how soaking it was. So that was a good start to the year, but it's all fine now, hopefully. But over here I just have my printer, my microphone, and a load of technology stuff in a box down here. And then this is obviously my desk. This is actually a height adjustable desk, and I got given it, so yeah, I quite like this desk actually. I was moaning about it at the start because I had a longer desk which basically went all the way down to the side here, but you know, I'm getting used to this desk now, and I think it kind of goes better because the colour's nicer. So this is what the desk area looks like. I will do a more in-depth desk tour. If you do want me to do that, then please let me know, because I'd love to go through everything in a bit more detail. I can go through all the pens and stuff I have. That really excites me. So yeah, if you do want to see that, then definitely let me know, but I will give you a little bit of an overview now. So basically I'm going to start over this side. So I have all of my makeup over here. You can see with the mirror. Hey, my mirror was from Amazon. It's basically just a light up mirror, and yeah, I really like this mirror. And then over here I have this little grey tray which was from TK Maxx, and this holds all of my everyday makeup, so things I just need to grab quickly. So it just has all my foundation and eyeshadow that I'm using at the moment, just little things like that, lip gloss, all of that stuff, you get the drill. Then I have my gross little foundation pot, don't even mind that, it just has to stay there. And then I have my laptop, of course. This laptop case I think was from Amazon, again is palm leaf. You can see how much I love it. I have my favourite speaker ever, which is my UE Boom. I actually love this so much. It's so good. And then I have my lamp here, which was from Dunelm. Again, it's grey. And then moving on to the exciting part, which is my stationery. I have too much stationery. Can we just, like, look? This is actually a joke, but I just love stationery so much. And that's why I want to do a more in-depth desk tour, because I feel like some of you guys would appreciate it too. So I have this pot here, which was from IKEA. It's just a typical Skura pot. I feel like everyone has these. I have my Zebra Mild Liners and also my Zebra Sarasa pens. Are these Zebra as well? Yeah, they're Zebra as well. In there. And then I have this pot which I think was from Amazon, which has all of my Fin Sharpies, and it also has my Papermate. Are these called the Flare? Yeah, Papermate Flare pens, if I can get it back in. And then I just have a load of other pens as well. I have my Sharpies, I have coloured pencils. I just love this so much, and I appreciate that it's so colourful. And then I have this absolutely gorgeous candle, which I think was from New Look, but I got this for my birthday, and this is in the scent Gin and Pink Grapefruit, and I love it so much. And then I just have my tape dispenser, which is of course copper, my Ted Baker The Whole of the Punch hole puncher. I love this. And then I just have a load of little things from Wilko. These have got like paper clips and stuff in, and I absolutely love this section. I don't really know why I have so many, but I have my sticky notes. I have like a memo pad which was from Wilko. I love this so much. And then this was from Lidl and I love this as well. And then down the side here I have these little sticky notes again. I have some more. These were from Amazon and this one was from like a pound shop or something. These will be in my haul, so definitely check it out. And then moving over here I have more of my makeup type stuff. So I have this little trinket tray. I think this was from Home Bargains maybe. I usually put all my jewelry and stuff on here just to keep it safe. And then I have a load of body sprays, Victoria's Secret ones, and also a Body Fantasies, which I love. I have my rose gold jewelry box, which I think was also from Amazon maybe. I'm not entirely sure though. This little rose gold tray or copper tray was from TK Maxx again. It holds all of my perfumes. I love this so much. My favourite perfumes are the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Is it called Good Girl or Bad Girl? I always forget. I think it's called Good Girl. And the YSL Black Opium. I love musky scents so much. And then I have my little Zoella Pick Me pot, which has a load of random stuff. It has some hand creams, eyelash colours, some beauty blenders, tweezers, the Zoella lip oil, that sort of thing. And then I have another little beauty blender here. This I got in the M&S advent calendar last year. And I have this little holder which was from Amazon. And then behind my mirror I have my makeup brushes in these 3 copper pots which were from Primark. These were only like £2 each last year and they just hold my brushes so well and they're so pretty. And the last things on my desk are my big acrylic storage boxes which were from the brand Beautifole, but they were from Amazon. You can find them pretty much anywhere. They're so popular and I love them so much because you can fit a lot of stuff in these. So yeah, if you want to see these in more depth, again check out my makeup collection or my declutter videos because yeah, I don't want to go through everything in this video. And then I have my lip liner pot up here and also a spare Zoella pot. I don't really know what I'm going to put in this yet, but I'm sure I'll find some use. And then above my desk I've recently put all these photos up which are my uni photos. So these are all from last year and I just love looking at this when I'm doing my work and things. And then I have these copper string lights which were from Primark, and then I'm going to talk you through the little bits and bobs I've got on top as well. So I have this N which I think was it from Hobbycraft? I think it was, but I can't really remember because I bought it ages ago. And then I have this little photo holder from Primark which has 2 of my Polaroids on. I have this rose gold frame which I think was from Home Bargains with a recent picture of me and my friends in from home. And then I have this copper clock which was from New Look. I absolutely love this. And the final thing I have is this photo frame which I can't remember where it was from, but I feel like it was from New Look or somewhere, with a picture of me and Jess. And then the final thing in my room are these 2 shelves which are above my desk. So on the right one I have a load of books, like a load. I don't really know why I bought so many with me, but yeah, that's just me summed up in everything. So there's a load of books up there. I have a diffuser which was from TK Maxx. It smells amazing. I love it so much. It just makes my room completely smell of that and I love it. And then I have my Smirnoff bottle which was from last year. I kept this as a memory, so yeah, that's just basically chilling up there. I have all my DVDs. I have some more candles. As you can see, I love my candles. And then moving on to the other side is all my stationery stuff. So I have all of my folders up here. These are all the spare ones. I have some kind of document wallets. I have a load of textbooks, flashcards, just everything else that couldn't fit anywhere. I'm going to quickly show you my bathroom, but I'm not going to go through much in it because it's just not really very exciting. So this is my bathroom. This bathroom, bear in mind, is a lot bigger than most uni rooms. It's because I need it bigger, but yeah, this is honestly like such a bigger size than everyone else. So I'm just going to show you this because this is one of the main things in here. So this is my copper tray which was from Dunelm. I absolutely love this and I'm so glad I got it because it holds all of my skincare things, all of my just spare stuff that I need, and it's honestly been so handy. But yeah, that's basically an overview of the bathroom. It's just typical bathroom really. The shower is just around the corner here, and I again bought this like tray thing which I think was from Amazon. It's just really handy to have in the shower because you can hold your shampoo and stuff, because there isn't actually like a tray or anything in the shower. So yeah, it just makes it so much easier. And then I also have this canvas up here. I don't really know what you would call this because it's a canvas, but it's kind of a photo holder, and this was from the range, and of course it just goes with my theme so well. I absolutely love this, and it was only £5, so I'm really impressed. And I managed to get it up with command hooks. My dad managed to stick it with like the really strong command hooks. It had like a bolt in it, so yeah, hopefully that stays up for the rest of the year. And I've just got a few of my favourite photos on here, and I just love this. I think it's so cute. I also love the little tassels at the bottom. This is one of my new favourite things in my room. Okay, so that is everything for my room tour for this year. If I've missed anything out and haven't explained where something's from, then definitely leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to reply to you. But I really hope that you enjoyed it, and please smash a massive thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check out the other videos that I've mentioned if you want to see everything in a bit more detail. And again, if you do want me to do a desk tour, please let me know because I love doing these sort of videos. So I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye!